Okay, so for this example, again, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the percent proportion equation, and then I'm going to solve it for you. So we're going to start by identifying the parts, the whole, and the percents, if there's any. So at the craft store, Alexa bought a bag of yellow and purple marbles. She received 24 marbles in all. 25% of the marbles were yellow. How many marbles were yellow? So in this case, they told us that she received 24 marbles in all. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that. And then we have 25%. So in all means that that's your whole number. So that's your whole number. And this is your percent. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my parts whole. So I'm going to go ahead and write it as 24 is equal to 25. Remember, 100 is always going to be on the bottom, and we're looking for the part. So now that we have that, then what we do, we go ahead and do cross products, which is 24 times 25. Remember, it's whatever you have, the two numbers that you have diagonally. So I'm going to go ahead and put 24 times 25. So I'm going to do 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Add a 0. Start my other number. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Go ahead and add them now. So 0. 2 plus 8 is 0. So that's 10. 4, 5, 6. That's 600. So my total is 600. But now I still have to divide it by 100. So I'm going to go ahead and divide it by 100. Oops, trying to change the color. So 600 divided by 100. So 100 to 600, 6 times, that's 600, remainder is 0. So that means there are 6 yellow marbles in the bag. So think about it, if it was 25% of 24, remember your fraction benchmarks. Well, if you have 24 and we're trying to find 25%, remember we divided by 4. 4 divided into 24 is 6 times, and that gives you your answer. So in this case, my answer is still 6. So make sure you put that in your assignment and then go to the next problem, and you're doing that on your own. So good luck with that, and make sure you're putting exactly what I did. You're not writing the whole problem, you're just putting the number 6. So come back to the video if you need to review it again.